my name is Glambyizie. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are welcome. Today's video will be a how to shape your eyebrow at home by yourself using blade. So do stick around. I'm going to be using stainless blade. I just prefer them. First, you comb the hair upwards and just trim out the parts that is the excess hair that you have. Just a tiny little bit, because naturally I have scanty eyebrows, so I don't really have much work to do. So the next thing, you comb the hair downwards and just pluck out the excess hair. Just pluck out the excess hair. You do the same for the other eyebrows as well. Comb the hair downwards and shape the excess hair. I try to zoom in as close as I could so you'd see everything clearly, and watch this video in full HD so you can see everything clearly. So I brush the hair to the side and try to trim out any excess hair that I don't need. Look at that curve. So I'm doing the same thing for the other eyebrows. Just using the blade. You have to hold the blade in a slanted motion, so you would not cut yourself. And you have to be very careful. Now I'm just trimming it. Just watch what I'm doing. There's really no much explanation. Just follow. Just trimming the excess hair on my face. To give it a more defined look. So that's what I'm doing. And the middle, I'm just shaping out any hair. If you are very hairy, you have to do this part. So I'm just doing final finishing touches. And look at that shape. I still need to shape out that particular spot where I'm pointing to. So I'm holding the blade from the top down. And here is what it looks like finally. I do hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more beauty and lifestyle related content. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.